From your weather authority, here's meteorologist Greg Flint.
All right, good afternoon to you. Have a look at Conneaut Lake. What a day. Look at that sky. There's like 3 or 4 clouds out there. The humidity, much more comfortable. It's warm. Temperatures running in the upper 70s. That's the Erie number right now. Northwesterly wind at 7. The dew point is at 60. So, again, much more comfortable. Compared to recently, it has been hot, consistently upper 80s to near 90. The past few days, though, yesterday, right around 80, probably going to be similar to that this afternoon. Not all that much rain for August, right? So we had a trace on the 6th, 3 100ths on the 12th. We did get a nice little drink there on Wednesday. So for the month, our total is 45 100ths. However, that is a deficit of over an inch. And we're not going to have much rain going into this weekend. There's a chance on Sunday. So, I've had a couple of questions, some emails. Are we in a drought? Technically, the answer is no. But there are areas, and pretty much on a regional scope, that are considered abnormally dry, indicated by this yellow shade. So the north central Pennsylvania mountains, parts of Crawford County down into Venango and into Warren County. If you look up there on the scale, that's just dry. It's like one step below drought status. So we could use some more rain. Not going to get any this afternoon as high pressure remains in charge. There's a look at radar this noontime. And it's a clean sweep across the area. High pressure centered up into Canada, eastern Canada, extending its axis south and west. So we are sitting pretty here this afternoon. We do have Hurricane Erin now, upgraded this morning, and you can see how it's kind of maturing and growing here on the satellite pic. Notice this kind of fanning feature. The clouds kind of have that wispy appearance. The storm is breathing very well. It is definitely becoming more concentric, more concentrated. Now, the latest computer model guidance continues to indicate that this will eventually recurve and move into the north central Atlantic. So I think the only impacts to the United States will be some swells kind of crashing up against the coast. There's that high right in charge through this afternoon, Saturday too. But the axis, or the longest part of that high, starts to shift east. When that happens, you get more of the return flow. So that's why Saturday is going to get hot. Here comes this cold front. That sweeps south for Sunday. That's a lifting mechanism. We'll have more humidity, so there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms around on Sunday. The other thing, want to point out, a little bit of wildfire haze, but it's way up high, so this is not a huge concern for us, but it just might look a little hazy. You can see up here on the scale, this is all very light. We'll be around through the day on Saturday as well. Low to mid 80s today, Erie about 82, 86 for Edinburgh, Union City. Over to Albion, Meadville will get into the mid 80s, 85 in Conneaut Lake. Numbers into the upper 80s to near 90 in places like Youngsville to Warren, 86 in Tidioute, 85 in Corry. Weather watchers in the 80s, upper 70s here, really nice. 81 Summit, 82 at Barron on the east side. Over to northeast, 77 Greenfield, Corry, and a couple more quick check-ins, low to mid 80s down to the south. 7-day forecast, so TGIF, TGI sunny, then it's hot getting into Saturday. Near 90, scattered storms Sunday, more humidity, cooler, comfier heading into next week. Forecast updated 24/7 on the Your Erie 2 Go app. Matt?